I thank God for today. I just thank God for His word, and I thank God that, really promotion does come from God, because this was something I was not expecting. I wasn't looking for, and I'm really surprised by what God has done. And I just thank God because He reserves some surprises for His people. So I just thank God for being in the Bishop G.E. Patterson Memorial District. I thank God for Bishop Patterson, who was my foundation. I thank God for his wife, First Lady Louise Patterson. And I thank God, and I love you, First Lady Patterson, and thank you for just putting your stamp of approval on this district. We thank God for you. I thank God for the elevations that took place on today. Pastor James is a wonderful woman of God, and she's going to be a great addition to this district. I thank God for the elevation of one of my favorite people. He started out as Deacon Wright, and now he went on to be Minister Wright, the first minister in Greater Fisher Temple, and now he is moving on to be an elder, and nobody better deserving. I thank God. We served together on the finance teams, and he served to help anything that I needed to be done behind the ministry. So I just thank God for what he's done today, where he is elevated for people and so deserving. So I just give God all the glory, honor, and praise, because he has put his stamp of approval on this, and we are going to do our very best to make him proud. We're going to do our very best to serve this district and this jurisdiction the best way we can. I also want to thank God for Mother Ingram. I love her. She's a wonderful woman of God, and I thank God also for Bishop Leggett. He's also a powerful man and such an humble man and a praiser. So I thank God for the leadership structure that we have here in Southern Georgia, second to none jurisdiction. So I just look forward to what God has in store for me. And this is the year of great promises and answered prayers. And God said you could ask him for the hard thing. And I just thank God for what he's doing now and what he will continue to do in the lives of our local church, Greater Fisher Temple, of our district, Bishop G.E. Patterson District, Memorial District, and our jurisdiction, Southern Georgia 2nd. Thank God, and I praise you, and I look forward to serving you. Thank you.